Hi guys, and welcome to your school garden here at King Open. So my name is Ellie, and you guys can call me Gardener Ellie, and I am the new City Sprouts garden educator here for King Open. And I am really excited to get to know you guys a lot better this year and to have you guys come and explore the garden a little bit with me. I hope you guys have fun learning a little bit more about our plants. So today I thought that we could kind of explore and get to know the garden a bit better and get to know what's living and what's actually growing here at King Open. So come on with me and let's see what we can find. So here is a broad view of our garden here at King Open. And now let's go and take a closer look at what is growing in the garden. So over here is our sensory garden portion at King Open. And what that means is a lot of these plants have some really cool textures when you feel them and some really cool smells. But when we kind of look at these plants, what types of observations do you guys notice? Do you guys think that all of these plants are the same color? Do the leaves all have the same shape? Are they all the same sizes? What do you guys think? So as I'm looking around, I'm noticing that there's actually a lot of different colors and shapes here in this part of the garden. And if I look really closely at this fun little guy, I notice that those leaves look kind of spiky, at least to me. What do you guys think? Now I'm going to use some gentle hands and practice touching. And I'm actually kind of surprised. So I thought that these would be really spiky and kind of feel a little prickly when I touched it. But the leaves are actually really soft and they feel kind of rubbery, which is really interesting. So when you guys are hopefully back in the garden in October, I wonder how you guys will think that feels when you give it a touch. What can you guys observe about this plant? What sort of colors and shapes and sizes do you guys see here? How are those leaves maybe kind of different from some of the other leaves that we were taking a look at earlier? Let's see. If I give this a bit of a touch, wow, it's actually kind of crunchy. That's interesting. I wonder why this flower is so crunchy. Can you guys hear that? So we've been looking at a lot of things that are growing and living here in the garden. But I wonder what you guys can observe about the soil. So all of our plants are actually growing out of soil right now. And let's take a deeper look at our soil to see what we can observe. So here is some of our garden soil. So what I have here is a special tool that I can use to dig in the soil. And let's take a closer look at what we see. What sort of colors do you guys see? What sort of textures? So let's take a feel. What do you guys notice? So here's some other soil that actually is very wet because I just watered the garden. So how do you guys think that this soil is the same or different after having been watered? What do you guys think? Something that I observe is that it kind of clumps together a lot more than the dry soil did. And that's kind of interesting. So as I've been wandering around the garden and taking a closer look at all that soil, I'm starting to wonder what exactly is soil. I don't know. I don't really know what soil is, and I don't exactly know where it comes from. So over the next few weeks, we are going to try and investigate that question a little bit more together. And how we're going to do that is using our rotting log right here behind me. So I really look forward to seeing you guys again soon, and I hope you enjoyed taking a look at your garden, and I hope that you guys will be able to visit soon. See you guys next time. Bye!